Hi everyone, welcome to our Speed Sounds cards, and here is today's letter sound. Can you remember? It's X. Exercise. X. Exercise. Well done. Here are all our others. I'll give them a little shuffle before we start. Here we go. Oh, just realised Fred's still here on my shoulder. Joining in today. There we go. So here are all our sounds. And here is X into the pack, right in the middle. And remember, when we come across it, you shout and tell me that's our new sound. X. Are we ready? So we'll go through the others. Here we go. Mountain. Horse. Vulture. Tower. Yak. Apple. Boot. Worm. Dinosaur. Well done. There's our new sound. X. Exercise. Well done. Leg. Robot. Zip. Oh. Orange. Egg. Insect. Pirate. Net. Snake. Caterpillar. Umbrella. Kangaroo. Girl. Jack in a box. Flower. X. There we are again. X. Exercise. Well done everyone. We'll see you again soon for the next one. Bye bye.